How do we kick this off?
Okay, this is actually not too bad because essentially you're just taking this group that's not the, magnesium bromine part.
Sure.
And attaching that to the carbonyl group.
Okay.
Which will then kick off that double bond to the oxygen.
Perfect. Okay, great. So main thing, as you're stating, that R group is acting as our nucleophile or electrophile.
It's nucleophile.
Good.
Right? Okay.
Perfect. So I'm going to show that. That's really what we care about. Negative charge, if I'm just really looking at that R group, I know that this is our nucleophile. It's going to attack our electrophile, which is what? What part? That carbon. Perfect. That double bond breaks and electrons move back onto that oxygen. So now we're going to redraw this. And I'm actually just going to move this up here for a second.
Okay.
Because this is our first step where we said it was a nucleophilic attack. Now go ahead and build the structure that continues. Perfect. And then what are we missing on the oxygen?
We have those lone pairs.
Yes.
And negative charge.
Perfect. We said there's a negative charge. What else attaches?
At this point, so does the phenol.
Yes.
At the bottom. Okay, I want to say something. Okay.
There we go. That was the whole purpose of that first step.
Okay.
Now continuing with this, our second step, we have what happening?
An acid will attach to this. I guess the nucleophilic attack will grab a hydrogen and form an alcohol.
It will form an alcohol. So what we're looking for is protonation.
Protonation, that's it. Yes, protonation.
I'll give you this one.
Okay.
And then I'm just going to show that there are lone pairs here. This has how many lone pairs in total?
3.
Yes. But I'm just showing the one that's moving.
There we go. Okay.
Cool. And then keep going. There's one more thing. Yep, those electrons are now going to pretty much take that hydrogen. That's how we're going to form our alcohol. And then, just like you said, this bond breaks, electrons move back onto this oxygen, and it'll just turn into water, which is neutral.
Right.
So I'll go ahead and have you build it here,
Okay.
our product. Perfect.